Boil down. Demystifying the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the phrase, boil down. It's a commonly used phrase in the English language, and understanding its meaning can be quite beneficial. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear grasp of what it means and how to use it. Let's dive in. Boiling is a process in cooking where a liquid, typically water, is heated until it begins to turn into vapor or steam. When you boil a liquid for a long time, the liquid reduces in quantity. The literal meaning of boil down refers to the process of reducing a liquid by boiling. Example, I need to boil down the sauce to make it thicker. More often than not, boil down is used in a figurative sense. When used metaphorically, it means to reduce something to its essential parts or to summarize the main points of something. Examples: the whole debate boils down to one main issue. After hours of discussion, it all boiled down to a simple decision. To help solidify your understanding, let's go through a few more examples. 1. The key principles of the theory boil down to these 3 points. 2. The choice really boils down to whether you value quality over quantity. 3. While the book has many details, the story essentially boils down to a tale of love and sacrifice. And that's the essence of the phrase, boil down. Whether you're thinking of it in a literal cooking context or using it to emphasize the core of a matter, it's a versatile phrase worth adding to your vocabulary. We hope this video boiled down the essentials for you, and you now feel confident using this phrase in your daily conversations. Happy learning!